Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers. Man, do I got a super special one today. This is a 2014 Minnie Winnie by Winnebago. I believe this is a model 31k. Guys, this thing just has 5,000 miles on it. It's 5,025 miles to be exact. Clean title. Guys, the generator only has 4 hours on it. Yes, you heard that right. 4 hours with 5,000 miles. Guys, check this thing out. No leaks, no soft spots, clean title. Engine and transmission runs great. Slide out. This is on an E450 chassis. Let's step inside and check this thing out. All right. So when we step into the cab area, we have an upgraded radio that has a backup camera. Check it out, guys. 5,025 miles on it. No check engine lights, power windows, power door locks, plenty of cup holders, plenty of space. Check out the interior, guys. Excellent, excellent condition. So right above the cab, we have a sleeper as well. This part right here comes down, fills it in, and this is an above cab bunk up here. Over here in our slide out area, we have a sofa. This turns into a sleeper as well. It also has seat belts so that you can safely transport on that as well. As you can see, there's a little bit of flaking on the sofa. Unfortunately, this is super common with RVs. I'm guessing the previous owner had a little puppy or something, because you can see some claw marks. But it's got a U-shaped dinette, huge dinette, guys. This also turns into a sleeper. So we're going to turn around and we're going to check out the kitchen. You got a 3-burner stove over here, double bin sink, flat screen television, plenty of storage, guys, microwave, refrigerator. Let me show you the generator, the hours on this generator. 4.3 hours, guys. 4.5 hours on the generator. This thing is awesome. So we're going to walk through here. We got a pocket privacy door over here. Shower with a glass enclosure. And there's your thermostat. Commode. Everything is winterized. And in the back, we've got another privacy pocket door with a queen-size bed, guys. Plenty of storage. Guys, don't miss out on this 2014 Winnebago Minnie Winnie with only 5,000 miles. If you guys are interested, my name is Chris, CGM Auto Brokers. I can be reached at 704-620-8388. Reach us online as well, www.cgmautobrokers.com. We're located in Monroe, North Carolina, 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Guys, remember, most importantly, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. If you guys like these videos, please like, please subscribe, follow the channel for more items that we have for sale. Thanks, guys. God bless.